In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee on Zoho People. Covering the full guide for 2025, let's navigate through this process together, ensuring you can add new team members smoothly and efficiently. First, start by heading over to Zoho People. You'll typically do this by entering the Zoho People URL in your web browser. Once you've arrived at the main dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, ensuring you're comfortable with where things are. Next, direct your attention to the Quick Actions section. This is usually a convenient spot where you can perform frequent tasks swiftly. It's designed to save you time by skipping through less relevant menus. So go ahead and click on Quick Actions. After that, you'll want to select Employee from the options presented. It's the gateway to manage everything personnel related and opens you right up to the functionalities you need to add someone new. Now, look for the option called Add Employees. This is typically visible once you're in the designated employee management area. Clicking on this link allows you to start the process of entering a new employee into Zoho People. Following this, you'll see a variety of fields ready for input. The first step in this segment is to click on Invitation. This is where you initiate the invitation to the new employee, preparing to add their essential details into the system. Begin by entering the employee's ID. This often serves as a unique identifier within the system, and it's crucial to get it right. Double-check your entries to avoid any mistakes that might cause confusion down the line. Once the employee ID is entered, proceed to type in the first name of the employee. Follow this by entering their last name in the corresponding field. These names should match official records for consistency. Now it's time to enter the employee's email address. Make sure you use the correct professional email associated with the individual, as this is typically how they will receive communications and access to the system. After all the necessary information is correctly filled out, locate the Create button. This will officially create the employee's profile, setting in motion their integration into Zoho People. Next, focus on editing the user data as needed. This capability will allow you to refine or adjust any details, ensuring the employee's profile is up to date. This is an opportunity to make sure all relevant data is accurate. When all edits are complete, click on Update to save any changes. This ensures that the system reflects the current, correct information you've inputted. Finally, wrap up the process by clicking on Finish. It signifies the completion of the task, effectively confirming the addition of the employee to your organization within Zoho People. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new employee, contributing to an organized and current HR system.